Hey folks, just playing with RStudio, just image to drive with connected to Stabilizer 10G. Um, got the data recovered and stuff, and I'm just playing with it. One of my challenges is that I'd like to be able to go back, as with all my other recovery tools, after imaging, to be able to bring up a log of sectors read, not read, and have an idea of the percentages and so on and so forth. But RStudio only seems to show those details while imaging. So after said and done, I have no way of bringing that up. I can right click on the drive and go to the IO monitor, which will show me a map, and I can scale down the blocks, but it's really not. And this sort of implies that it's not clone. Oh, there it is. So I guess I can get a visual here, but if I want to take note of how many sectors were read and not read, yeah, there's no way to see the statistics per se. There is a log file that we can open up. And go to, so we can open up the RSM log file with Notepad, and we can see a log, but this is not exactly very conducive either. But when I looked at this log file, it looked very familiar, so I started playing with it. It looks a lot like what I would see with ddrescue. So I copied the file over to my Linux system. And if we go over here, this is the file as it came. And if you see the ddrescueviewer, not very informative, but what I did is I made some modifications. Oops, hold my phone right. If you notice, the first line of text here I had to add in because it doesn't exist over here. And that basically just tells where we are in the past process, which is necessary, otherwise you get that. And furthermore, we needed to modify the actual plus minus and stuff like that, because RStudio puts okay bad versus plus minus asterisks, whatever, for the ddrescue log. So I just changed all the bads to minuses and all the goods or okays to pluses, and there we go. We get the visual sector map, which when going back to RStudio, that's pretty similar. And sorry about the break in this video. Had to take a call. Anyway, so yeah, there's the map in the view, which is very similar to this. Not quite the same presentation, but pretty similar. But with the ddrescue log, one thing that's nice is it sort of gives you an idea in the overall pass on the left here where the bad sectors are, sort of broken down in the full map. But the thing I'm specifically looking for is these logs up here, so we have an idea of the number of errors, bad sectors, and of course, it'd be nice to have some of the other details, but we have good or bad, so that's all we could go with the ddrescue log we had. But sorry, I was looking a little blurry here. Yeah, so that if you're playing with RStudio imaging and you want to actually have these statistics, at this point, this is the only way that I know of getting it, is to take that log file, modify it to this, and then load it with ddrescueview, and then you get this. Anyway, hope this is helpful to you, and feel free to click a like, follow, share, all that other jazz that comes with the YouTube universe. Take care.